Dear Amirji, Anand, Ashok Jain, our president, Abhijit, all 5 A's are here. All 5 A's. A grand moment for chess. Two great A's are promoting chess, Mr. Amir and Anand. I requested Amirji just once that will you play chess exhibition match? And he said yes. And we did not know that it is going to be so big in the media. So the people in the Tennis Association and Badminton Association are very upset with me that Amir has to do this for both the other associations. And he said, yes, I'll do it, why not? So I think it is highly appreciated. And on one message, Mr. Vishwanath Anand said, yes, this is the date. I think Shamat has helped us organize this with Amirji. And this is just love for sports that both have agreed to play this match. I don't need to elaborate what is chess and how good it is for children in this mobile era. These two great, one king of Bollywood and the other 5 times world champion promoting chess will send a good signal to sportsmen to motivate them. The government of India is already excited, and we have a message from the sports minister who was going to be here, but presently had to be in Imphal. And Honorable Mr. Sonowal could not reach, but has sent a message that he is looking forward to such promotions, and Government of India will support all the sports. I feel the occasion is right for greats like Anand to now announce a chess foundation kind of thing for the chess sports people who are playing chess. Maybe Amir will support you in the chess foundation. I know this is just an idea I am putting forward. Not that they have spoken or I have spoken to them. I can only request Amirji support me for tennis and badminton in the same manner. I thank the press, media, and want their support to promote sports. Thank you and look forward to the match. Thank you.
Thank you. Moving on, may I please request Mr. Ashok Jain to say a few words.
World champion and India's pride, Grandmaster Vishwanath Anand, one of India's favorite Bollywood superstar Amir Khan, our ex-president Mr. Nitin Karir, Mr. Jairaj Phatak, first Grandmaster Mr. Praveen Tipse, my dear friend Anuruddha Deshpande, Abhijit, dignitaries on the dais, team owners and friends. Today we have overcome the probable 3-year each for the Maharashtra Chess League. The league which started as an experiment 3 years back has proved to be a great success with active participation from the chess fraternity. He should take up chess as a medium to promote better mental fitness and agility among the youth of our country. Last but not the least, the team owners who have pledged their complete support to MCL need a special mention. Without all of you, this tournament would never have happened. I want to ask all team owners to consider adopting one school each in their city and sponsoring the chess in school program in that school. I wish every team the best, and once again on behalf of MCA, thank the Vishwanath Anand and Amir Khan for their time and continuing support. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, Mr. Jain. Mr. Jain, may I please request you to felicitate a few more people that I think we are very glad to have here. May I please request one of our grandmasters, Mr. Praveen Tipse, to please join us here on stage. May I also request Mrs. Aruna Anand to please join us here. We're very glad that you've accompanied Mr. Anand here today. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Mr. Jain. May I please request the Grandmaster himself to say a few words to everybody who's gathered here.
So, Amir, when he was younger, he used to pick up my phone and press the first contact and call him. As you can imagine, somebody with 2 A's in his name often got called, but he took it very nicely. He was very patient, I must say, to be called at all odd hours by Akhil. I sincerely hope that as a result of our game, a lot of people...
Well, I'm sure a lot of you all have actually been holding your breaths, but please let it go. I would now like to request Mr. Amir Khan to say a few words.
Well, good evening, everyone. Anirudh, when he asked me to play the game with Anand, he said he wanted to thank me for accepting. Actually, I want to thank him for inviting me because I've been such a huge fan of Anand all along. So the opportunity to play with him is something I would never let go of. And in fact, I want to thank Vishy for being so nice to accept this game. I mean, I certainly don't deserve to play against him by any stretch of imagination, but the fact that he is so graciously agreed to play with me is something I'm thrilled about. So I'm really looking forward to losing to him. My only request is you have to play with your left hand. I think this is a wonderful initiative, Chess in School and the Maharashtra Chess League. And, I really feel that more and more kids really should pick up chess as a game. Parents should encourage their children. I remember that I learned chess from my grandmother. And she's not with us here today. She passed away a few years, but I remember her, especially today. I think if it hadn't been for her, I wouldn't have been here getting to play with Vishwanath Anand. So I want to thank her. But every kid should learn, every parent should encourage the kids to learn chess, not just competitively, not just to become a champion in chess, but just to have an overall healthy mind, a sharp mind, a mind that is analytical. It's something that's helped me, certainly, all through my life. So I'm really happy to be here, very, very excited to get the huge chance of playing against Anand, and thank you so much. Thank you, and all the very best to all the teams. Thank you.
Well, I'm sure that since we are talking quite a lot about the game that's about to begin, I'm sure all of you are waiting for that. But before that, we have our lovely members of the press here. So, members of the press, the session is now open for Q&A. We have mics in the audience, so please kindly may I request you all to raise your hands so that we can give you the mics.
Hi, my question is to you both. Anand, what have you learned from Amir, and Amir, आप आनंद से क्या सीखे? Because both of you are perfectionists.